Want to know about internet? The internet is a global system that connects computers and devices worldwide, enabling communication, information sharing, and access to digital services. Let's understand the history of internet. The internet originated in 1960s with the development of ARPANET. ARPANET used packet switching, a method that breaks data into packets for efficient transmission. In October 1969, the first message was successfully sent between two computers using ARPANET. From that moment, internet technology continued to evolve rapidly. Now, let's understand how does the internet work. The internet operates using a client-server model architecture, where client is a device such as a laptop or smartphone connected to the internet, and server is a powerful computer that stores websites and data. First of all, the client sends a request through a browser. The server identifies the website using its IP address. DNS converts the domain name into an IP address. The request is routed to the correct server. The server processes the request and returns the web page. Have you ever wondered what happens when you click a website and it loads in seconds from the other side of the world? It all starts from your device. When you type a website, your computer breaks the data into small pieces called packets. It also finds the server address using the DNS and attaches an IP address. These packets are sent through Wi-Fi or cable to your router. The router acts like a traffic controller, deciding where to send the data next. From your router, the data goes to your internet service provider. This is the gateway that connects your home to the global internet. Your ISP forwards the data into massive high-speed networks called the internet backbone. These are like highway of the internet powered by the fiber optic cable. To reach another continent, your data travels through undersea fiber optic cables. Here, data moves as pulses of light across thousands of kilometers under the ocean. Finally, the data reaches a data center where the server processes your request. The packets are reassembled and the server prepares a response. The response is again broken into packets and sent back through the same journey: undersea cables, backbone networks, ISP, router, and finally to your device. And within milliseconds, the website loads on your screen. That's how the internet works. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Gaurav's Tech for more content. Thank you for watching.